homework. M and A letters and sounds. Write 3 words in each category. Words with the letter M. A. Mouse. B. Milk. C. Monkey. D. Mom. Words with the letter A. A. Cat. B. Apple. C. Black. D. Backpack. Read these words and write them in the correct sound column. Words: mom, apple, cat, monkey, black, lamp, mouse, dad. M sound: mom, monkey, mouse. A sound: apple, cat, black. Both sounds: lamp. Write the complete word and draw what it means. A. Monkey. Hint: it has a tail. B. Apple. Hint: it's red and sweet. C. Lamp. Hint: it gives light. D. Black. Hint: it's a color. E. Backpack. Hint: you carry books in it.